Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The 11th row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting evenings. Here's our first ring, as we have on the diagram. Then chain, join picot, chain, join picot, and again you should join with 2 picots at the same time. Then again chain, chain, ring, chain, joined picot here, chain, joined picot here, chain, ring, and so on. This row is pretty similar to the previous one and nothing actually special, and this is how it should be. And yeah, just one more row to go. My tatting is really tight, so do not afraid to make the lace the same way. Because of that, my tatting is stiff already. If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Thank you for watching, and as usual, like, comment and subscribe. Have a great time tatting. See you in the next video. Bye!